Welcome to Singapore, where luxury is everywhere. And today we're checking into one of its most prestigious hotels.
The St. Regis Singapore. But the big question, was it worth it? Let's find out. The St. Regis is known for its classic luxury. And from the outside, it definitely looked the part. But first impressions? Well, they weren't exactly mind-blowing.
Oh, my favorite. Well, there's a seat. Take me to 19, sir.
On the way, ma'am.
Oh, what do you know? Oh, fresh fruit. Hi. Oh, thank you. Yes. Thank you so much. Yes, that's perfect. Thank you. Hey guys, we just landed in Singapore and we are now at the St. Regis Singapore. It is so beautiful here. We are very jet lagged, but we're gonna give you a quick room tour. So you walk in, you've got your coffee, tea, water. All right, we're gonna swing around here into the bathroom. You have a great, huge tub. Fun fact about the marble here, there is over 20 kinds of marble in this hotel, and it's imported from Greece and Turkey, and Italy. So you've got your amenities here. You got your basic toothbrush, toothpaste, shaving kit, soap. I thought it was gonna look a little dated, kind of Titanic-y, but the Titanic feel is working for me. I like it. Do we have another robe or are we sharing? Cool, dose robes. We each got a robe, which is nice. We have the shower here. Products, Sachawan. I have not heard of this brand. Smells nice. And then the toilet, obviously with the bidet. Just kidding. How mad would you be? All right, on to the bedroom. Another nice feature are the buttons are very easily findable. Safe, nice drawers, so lots of storage space. You have a menu in there for room service. They brought our bags in. They're so nice here. Some more closet space with the other robe. Umbrella, which is nice because it rains all the time in Singapore. That's why it's so lush and beautiful here. Apparently we got 2 beds, which is totally fine because I'm a tornado. I got your laundry bag if you need any laundry done, tuners, water, which I love that they provide so much water, and the water is unlimited, they said. Slippers, again, the buttons that control all of the things. I gotta do my bed test. Bed feels, actually, I think we're gonna sleep really well. We've been needing a firmer mattress at home. Pillows, oh, wow, oh. They're memory foam, so they take a little while to push down. They're a little hard. Are they all like that? Ooh, yikes. But I'm sure you can call and adjust the pillows. And it looks like there's one up there actually that looks a little flatter. We walked into a lovely welcome note here. Let's see what it says. Dear Mr. Wheeler, welcome to the St. Regis Singapore. We are delighted to have you with us, and if you need anything during your stay, please ask any of your hotel hosts. And then we got this lovely bowl of fruit. I'm probably the most excited about this fruit. But look at how just beautiful this is, this arrangement with the flowers. Oh, they smell good too. Yeah, I don't even know what this is. I'm excited for this. Oh, I don't think you eat this. Lychee. Oh, lychee, I love lychee. Come on.
You good?
So good. I missed. Excited to see this room with the natural light in the morning. It should be pretty spectacular. Huge TV, and then again, some more storage space, nice desk, lamp, outlets there, and you don't need a special outlet. They've got the, oh wait, does that work for ours? Or do you need the outlet for that?
Well, we have a universal adapter.
Snacks for purchase, a couple little bottle of booze. Oh, some glasery. A little mini fridge with some spirits. Oh, there's a chocolate, some waters, sodas. Oh, and your ice bucket. That's a little tiny ice bucket.
Our room featured bespoke furnishings, a French marble bathroom, and state-of-the-art electronics. While these are hallmarks of luxury, we felt the ambiance lacked a unique touch that would make it a truly memorable experience.
Exactly. For the price point, we anticipated a more distinctive experience. The room was comfortable, but didn't offer the wow factor we were hoping for.
The gym is modern, equipped with techno gym equipment, treadmills, ellipticals, and weight machines. It's open 24 hours, catering to guests with varied schedules.
I appreciate the variety of equipment, allowing for a comprehensive workout. Kyle, of course, made a beeline to the treadmill.
That's why you get that. Hey, good morning. Two for breakfast, please.
Wow. Thank you so much. Perfect, thank you.
The highlight of our stay? Breakfast at Astor Grill, hands down.
This place serves one of the most diverse buffet spreads we've seen. Asian breakfast specialties like dim sum and congee, a make-your-own juice station, fresh pastries, Western classics, and even Indian curries.
This Eggs Benedict? Easily the best thing I ate here.
And the coffee? Solid. A good latte goes a long way. The hotel itself is beautiful. The grand staircase, the chandelier, the reflecting pool. It exudes classic St. Regis charm.
They also house an impressive private art collection, boasting over 70 pieces, including sculptures, paintings, and prints by internationally renowned artists. If you love luxury hotels that double as an art gallery, you'll be into this.
Beyond breakfast, there are some solid dining options. Yan Ting for Cantonese fine dining, La Brezza for Italian, and even a specialty cake shop in the lobby. But the tropical spa pool, honestly, kind of underwhelming. It's surrounded by greenery, which is nice, but there's no real view. And the water stays pretty chilly because it doesn't get much sunlight. Not exactly what you'd hope for in a luxury hotel pool.
So, was the St. Regis worth it? For us? No. The location was great, the breakfast was amazing, but the overall experience just didn't feel special.
For the price, we expected something next level, and it just wasn't. The room was nice, but not memorable. The pool was just okay, and overall, it just didn't click for us. If you love classic luxury, with an art-focused vibe, you might love it, but for us, we wouldn't stay here again.
Until next time, stay curious. Love you guys.